Hello, my friends. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about volume, and this is something that you guys have already done with our 5-a-days, so thank you, 5-a-days. I know some of you really didn't like them, but this should be a skill that really you pick up pretty easily because you're really just going to need to multiply. And in this case, I'm not testing your ability to multiply, so if you want to use a calculator to do this, I'm totally fine with that. I mean, I'd prefer that you do it by hand, but I'm not testing whether you know how to multiply. So your learning target is I can find the volume of figure using the formula V for volume equals length times width times height. So you're taking all three numbers of the figure, multiplying them together. The other way you might see it is volume equals a capital B, and the capital B is when you find the base first and then multiply it by the height. So the base would be length times width. So you might see it written down either way. So I just wanted to make sure that you saw both ways. Doesn't matter how you do it. Either way, you're going to get the same answer. Let's dive right in. So if volume equals length times width times height, and I have a length of 4, and a width of 4. So I'm going to do 4 times 4 and get 16. And then I have a height of 5. So I would take 16 times 5. 6 and 5 is 30. 5 and 1 is 5. Plus 3 is 8. So my volume is 80. It's labeled inches. And because I'm multiplying three numbers together, can you guess it? Yes, it is cubed or to the third power. Another one. If volume equals B, capital B for base, times height, the base of this figure, I'm just showing you the other way, is just the bottom of the figure, and the bottom measures of this figure is 4 by 3. So the base is 4 times 3, which gives me 12. And then I would multiply by the height of 6. So 12 times 6, 6 and 2 is 12. 6 and 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So my volume is 72 centimeters cubed. Let's do one more. So in this case, all three numbers are the same. I have a cube that is a 7 by 7 by 7, so it doesn't really matter which order you do it. And some people are going to say, well, can I do height times width first? Sure, it doesn't really matter as long as you take all three numbers and multiply them together. So in this case, I'll take height times width, so 7 times 7, and I would get 49. And then I'll multiply it by the length of 7. So 49 times 7. So first you do 9 times 7 and get 63. Drop the 3, carry the 6. 7 times 4 is 28. And then 28 plus that 6 that we carried over is 34. So this has a volume of 343 centimeters cubed. That's all about today. Take the three numbers that you see, multiply them together. Don't forget to put the cubed or units cubed is how I'm going to have to label it in your homework. So know that units cubed is the same thing as that little 3 exponent. I just can't put exponents in. So I hope you have a good Wednesday, and we'll talk to you guys soon.